In this example, I will be showing you how to create an AI agent. This will be a simple example where it'll be a simple question and answer agent, but you can make the agents much more complicated. First, let's add an input block. Then let's add which AI block we want. We want the AI text generator. And then finally, we need an output block. You'll need to string the results to the prompt, attach the response from the AI text generator to the value. Let's name the agent input as question and the agent output as answer. Now let's save this agent as question and answer. And then when we hit run, we can put any question that we want the AI to respond to. So let's say, how far is Earth from Pluto? You can see your results in View More, or you can hit Agent Outputs and also see your response there. There you go. That's how you create a basic AI agent.